the 2013 GMC Terrain. Top features include power windows, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, an outside temperature display, heated door mirrors, and a split folding rear seat. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.